Hi, welcome. Today we're just going to talk about a little bit of our weight loss program here at Vitality MD, and just to show what makes us different from other weight loss programs. Basically for us, we're trying to find the root causes to why you're not losing weight. And here I have Caroline, our holistic nutritionist, to talk more on those points and how we further investigate that.
Yes, thank you, Lyian. So what we do differently here, like Lyian said, is we want to know, why is there weight loss resistance? Why are you not losing weight? Why did you try everything and it's actually not working? Mm-hmm. Why is a ketogenic diet doing really well for your neighbor, but you tried it and it really didn't work? So it's really about finding something that is unique to you, because we're all bio individuals, so we're all very different. But it's also about looking at 5 main players. So looking at your genetics, looking at nutrient deficiencies. What about your hormones? How is your thyroid doing? How are your adrenals? How's your blood sugar management, right? Mm-hmm. It's also looking at gut health. Thank you, Lyian. It's also looking at your gut health. Mm-hmm. So those, and food sensitivities. Yes, that was the one I was trying to remember. So food sensitivities, those are really, really important players. And unfortunately, in most programs, these things are not looked at. Mm-hmm. And that's what we kind of do different here at Vitality MD. So Lyian, would you like to explain exactly how the program works?
Sure. So for 3 months, we're offering looking at kind of your weight loss program. So you start off with initial consult, and then we come in to do some weekly follow-ups with measurements, a little bit of tweaking. Caroline, you'll also be seeing in between the months for any troubleshooting. In that program, you will get your blood work done, but we also added the genetic testing to it, so you can further investigate that individuality and actually address those issues that Caroline managed. For us, I think you could just look online for more info, or check the link below, maybe?
Yep.
Yeah, and then check us out.
Yeah.